You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you But do you recall?
Hey, Blitzen!
The most famous reindeer of all.
Hi, I'm Shelley, the executive director of Wolf. Lost my crew here.
Happy holidays and happy winter from all of us here at Wolf, including Sigmund and Tundra.
Well, I was hoping Outlaw would hold still long enough for him and me to wish you a very Merry Christmas!
Hi, everybody. On behalf of me, Cowboy, Arctay off camera, and everybody here at Wolf Sanctuary, we wish you a wonderful holiday season. We thank you for your continued support, and we hope you have a safe and happy New Year. Whoa! Almost had a wipeout.
Happy holidays from Bellaroo and everyone here at Wolf. Smile through the camera.
Isabeau and I would like to wish you a happy holidays and a joyous New Year.
Outlaw and I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Stay warm, stay safe, stay here.
And if you ever saw,
Anyway.
you would even say it glows.
I want to thank you for all your support in 2013 with Andrew just being it proud of us. Look for good things to happen in 2014. Happy holidays and wonderful.
JJ Odin and I would like to wish everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Safe holidays. Thank you for all of your support throughout the year.
Hi, happy holidays from Wolf Sanctuary. Sasha and I would like to say thank you for all your help and support over the years.
I want to thank you for all your support in 2013. You got us through some trying times with nature. Look for good things to happen with Wolf in 2014. Happy holidays and a wonderful New Year.